Greetings everyone, it's Mr. Gormley here to explain how do I take my program and put it on my test bed or my robot that I want to use. So what I'll do, I'm going to give you an example here. I've got my test bed. Ta-da! I'm going to need a battery. It's a little blue battery here that can be found in the cubbies on the wall. There's a yellow bin. Grab the batteries. When you're done, you need to return them. And then an orange cord. The orange cord is in the tan metal cabinet with all the other parts. You can get an orange cord and keep that in your bin as long as we're working. Okay? So, the first thing I'll do is I'll take my battery and I'll plug it in to the very front of the Cortex. When I do that, you're going to see there should be some lights coming on, show me that, hey, the battery is good, it's working. The next thing I'll do is I'll plug in the orange cord to the top of the Cortex here. And let's see if I can get that going. And when that happens, you might see that the robot or whatever you've made starts moving or doing anything. It's only going to revert back to the last program it had on it. The last thing you also need to double check is make sure that your on switch, there's a little tiny toggle switch there. Make sure that switch is switched on. Okay? So, we have that. Next, we're going to move to, let's look at our program. So, you've written a program. The next thing you're going to do is click compile. That's going to check to see if there's anything wrong. So, for example, if I didn't have the P in stop motor, so it said stow motor here, and I click on compile, you'll see it goes, whoa, can't be performed because there are errors. You've got problems here. You'll see there's an X on the line that I have an error, and then down here, it will tell me what the error is, what is wrong. So it says error, undefined procedure. The computer is basically saying, I don't know what stow motor is. So I put a P back in. Notice I went from a black lettering to a blue lettering there. So now it's saying, yo, I recognize this, we're good. I click compile, my error goes away. So now that I know I have a code with 0 errors, I can click download to robot. This will take, a little time there. And then, it's saying we're not powered on and turned on. Okay. Now I'm good to go. And I can hit start. And I will see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it should work. So, good luck with that. And remember, when you are done, raise your hand, bring the teacher over, get your paper stamped. You need to have all 7 programs done by the end of the week. All right? Good luck.